They say a great meal is all about building layers, and today, my mom is showing you that in action. My mom deserves a certificate in culinary architecture. Let's dive right in. First up, wash and slice 5 medium-sized eggplants. Sprinkle them with a salt so every single slice is seasoned well. Heat a good amount of oil in a skillet and fry those eggplant slices on high heat until both sides are beautifully golden brown. Once they're done, transfer them to a plate and set them aside. Next, grab a pot, toss in 2 pounds of peeled potatoes. Cover them with water and boil them on high heat for about 30 minutes. You can check if they're ready by poking them with a fork. If it slides right through, you're good to go. Drain the potatoes and place them into a bowl. Start mashing them down with a potato masher. Then, drop in a quarter cup of butter and keep mashing. Now, to make these potatoes impossibly rich and creamy, my mom adds a secret ingredient, an entire block of cream cheese. Mash that right into the potatoes, add salt to taste, add a teaspoon of black pepper, finally, pour in half a cup of milk. Give it one last good mash, and your mashed potatoes are ready. Transfer them to a bottom of a large casserole dish. And here's where you can show off your creativity, leveling them out into a smooth first layer. In a skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil over high heat and fry 2 chopped onions until they turn light brown. Add 2 pounds of ground beef using your spatula. Break it up as you stir. Look at all that delicious juice rendering out of the beef. That's going to make this dish so incredible. Once the beef turns gray, season it with salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Stir until the beef is fully browned. Then, let's bring in these veggies. Toss in 5 chopped garlic cloves, stir for 2 minutes, and then add 300 grams of frozen peas. Cook for another 5 minutes. Then pour in 1 cup of tomato sauce. Mix and simmer for 5 more minutes before turning off the heat. Pour that savory beef mixture right over your creamy potato base. Look at how rich and flavorful that looks. Level it out smoothly, and now it's time for the eggplant. Just look at how beautifully my mom arranges these slices on top. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of shredded mozzarella cheese. Pop it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and hit it with a broil setting for that last minute to get that cheese golden and bubbly. Honestly, I'm drooling just looking at this. This is hands down one of the absolute best meals my mom has ever made. Let me know in the comments below if you're an eggplant lover and if you'd give this recipe a try at home. Bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next recipe.